A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to A&B Exam Forum. Student, in the PYQ series of computer science, we are now bringing a new session on data representation, and whatever the questions we are presenting in today's session are basically asked in RRB exam. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's begin the session. So as usual, the important subtopic you should know, you should learn and come back to see this video. Okay, so the first important subtopic in the data representation is the number system. Okay, so as you know, there are various number system which is used in computers like decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal, and many more are there. Okay, the basic you should know. Okay, in this session we are not going to cover all this, we are only focusing on the previous year questions only. Okay, and the very important is their conversion. Okay, so how decimal are converted to binary, binary to decimal, decimal to octal, octal to hexadecimal, all these conversion you should be very much conversant with that. Okay, after that you should know the various codes like ASCII codes are there, Unicodes are there, all the basic information regarding this code you should know. Okay, and there are many other videos in the computer science which is in our playlist PYQ series, you can watch those and get benefited. Okay, so the first question is on your screen, and the question says how many distinct symbols are used in hexadecimal system. Okay, this was asked in RRB NTPC. Okay, and it is a very simple one. So hexadecimal, as a word suggests, hexa means 6, decimal means 10, so 10 plus 6, 16. So it can recognize 16 symbols in hexadecimal number system. Okay, so those who have given option B, well and good, they are right. Coming to the next question, this is related to the conversion. The binary equivalent of the decimal number 10. Okay, so it is very simple. All these are looking in binary number because only 0 1s are there. So in order to convert decimal to binary, you need to divide it with 2. Okay, so for dividing, let's divide it. Okay, so we are dividing with 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10, and remainder is what? 0. Okay, again we are dividing with 2, 2 2s are 4, and you have remainder as 1. All these are remainders. Okay, after that again you divide it with 2 until you get 1 or 0. Okay, 2 1s are 2 and you will have 0. Okay, and in the last you need to go backward. Okay, so the answer for this question will be 1 0 1 0. Okay, so option B is the right answer. Okay, I know I have done this conversion very quickly, so you should go back and see all the conversion, how these conversion take place. You should be very conversant with that. Okay, otherwise you will not able to solve such type of questions. Okay, so option B is the right answer. Let's see the next question. For a computer bit generally known as, a very simple one, the word bit itself means binary digit. B stand for binary. This is the abbreviation, basically BI means binary, and digits, the last one you can ignore this T. So bit is binary digit, and binary digit only looks for 2 digits, either 0 or 1. Okay, so option A is the right answer. Quickly moving to the next question, the digits used in binary number system are this and this. Just in the previous question we have already seen that binary number system uses bits, and bits are basically 2 in computers, 0 and 1. So option D is the right answer. And one more thing, that binary means 2. Okay, like decimal means 10, similarly binary means 2, octal mean 8, hexadecimal means 16. All these are known as radix. Okay. So if you go with the theory portion, you will come with all these terminologies. Okay. So for this question, option D is the right answer. Let's see the next question. This is a very typical one. Let's see who can give the answer. RRB JEE, it was asked in year 2014. Okay. So the binary equivalent of this number is what? Okay. So here basically you need to convert binary to decimal. Okay, binary to decimal. So like in decimal to binary we divide, here we multiply with the power of 2. Okay, 2 power 0, 2 power 1. Okay, I will write it here so that you can see clearly. So we have 4 digits. Okay, so on the LSB side, least most significant, you just write 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Okay, so this is 8. So 2 power 3 is 8, 8 into 1 is 8, 2 power 2 is 4, 4 into 1 is 4, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 1, 2 power 0 is what? 1, and 1 into 1 is. Okay. So 8 plus 4, 12, 13, 14, 15 is there. Okay. So sum is 15. So this 111 binary represent the decimal 15. Okay. So we have converted this number into decimal and the answer is 15. So if you go with option D, what happened? Okay, this is there. Okay, so 2 power 4 is what? 16, and 16 minus 1 is what? 15. Okay, so option D, those who have given, well and good. I know this conversion are very typical, but you can only answer if you know the theory portion. So go back and learn the theory. Okay, let's see the next question. It is from the operation. So what is the ones complement of binary number? Ones complement is very easy, very simple one. These are the bits, just you need to reverse it. What does I mean by reverse? Instead of 1 you write it 0, in place of 0 you write 1. Okay, so 1 becomes 0 and 0 becomes 1. So 0 1 1 0 1. So option C, those who have given, they are right. So option C is the right answer. Okay. So if they ask you what is a 2's complement, okay, one famous operation is also there, 2's complement. In that, first you do the 1's complement, after that you add one bit into that. Okay. So addition again you need to learn. So 1 plus 1 is 0, it is not 2, we are adding in binary format. Okay, we are adding in binary number system. Okay, binary number system we are adding. So 1 plus 1 is 0, it is not 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and 1 is carried over, and okay, so this will become 2's complement. Okay, let's see the next question. This is the basic one. In the BCD, it is binary coded decimal. The maximum possible character size is what? Okay, character set of 94, 84, 104, 64. Student, in computer terminology, most of the numbers are in the power of 2 power something. Okay, 2 power something. So this is a basic hint that I would like to give, either 2 power something or 2 power minus something. Okay, so here if you see 2 power 6 is 64. So this could be possibly a correct answer, but you should know the logic behind this question. Okay, so binary coded decimal basically uses 4 digits. Okay, 4 digits. Okay, and each digit uses 4 bits. Okay, 4 bits, 4 bits, 4 bits, 4 bits. Okay, so for representing 4 bit, how many characters are needed? 2 power 4, 2 power 4 is what? 16, and there are 4 digits, so 16, yes, 16 into what? 4, 16 into 4. So 4 1 4, 4 5 64. Okay, 16 into 4 is 64. Sorry, I was gone somewhere. Okay, so 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. So option D is the right answer. Okay, so what does we did? Okay, so there are 16 digits which be represented for one number. So we have 4 numbers in the BCD. So 16 into 4 is 64. So there is a character set of 64. Okay, so option D is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Numbers that are written with base 8 are classified as what? Okay, so these are the 4 numbers, and base 8, as I told you, it is octal number. The word also suggests octal means 8, hexadecimal means 16, and negative and real number are represented differently in computers. So option C is the right answer. Let's see the next question. The memory of this computer is usually expressed in kilobyte or megabyte. A byte is made up of what? So a very simple one. So bit represent 0 and 1. Okay, and byte is the collection of what? 8 binary digits. Okay, 8 binary digits. So if you combine this 8 binary digits, so you have say B1, B2, B3 up to B8, so it will become what? Your byte. Okay, so a byte is made up of, remember, 8 bits. Okay, this is very simple one in fact. Okay, so 8 bits is the right answer. 8 binary digits is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Which of the following is an example of binary number system? So as I told you in the earlier question also, binary means 2. So it is able to recognize 2 digits, either 0 and 1. So in all of these cases, if you see, this number has only 0 1. So this is the correct example of binary number system. So option A is the right answer. Let's see the next question. So it is a long question, a very simple one in fact. By using ASCII code, English alphabets and symbolic code has been fixed, which determine the code for almost all languages in the world and determine 1 million symbol. What is the new standard? Okay, so nowadays one code is very popular, that is called Unicode. Okay, with this Unicode you will be able to determine everything, all the languages in the world with this single code. Okay, like if you are using decimal system, you are able to recognize only 10 digits. Okay, whereas in Unicode it can able to recognize all the languages in the world because it has 1 million symbols in it. Okay, so option B, you remember, it is known as Unicode. Okay, so option B is the right answer. So the next question, Unicode provide a uniform code to test all the computer, a specified code to represent computer company. This is a very useless option. A code for symbol of English language, a specific code for the language logo of the all the languages. So okay, so the option D, a specific code for the logo of all the languages. Sorry, so it basically has all the codes for all the languages. So option D is the right answer. I think this is the last question for today's session. What is the binary representation of 32? So 32 is a decimal, and we know that in order to convert decimal to binary we need to divide. Okay, so just divide it. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, so you have remainder 0, 2 8s are 16, remainder 0, 2 4s are 8, remainder 0, 2 2s are 4, remainder 0, 2 1s are 2, 0, just reverse it back. So 1 followed by 5 0, 1 followed by 5 0. So option C should be the correct answer. Okay, so those who have given option C, well and good, and this question was asked in RRB JEE recently in 2019. Okay, so one more question is there. The correct full form of ISCII, it is not ASCII, it is ISCI. Okay, so ASCII we know it is American Standard Code for Information Interchange, whereas this I instead of A, it is Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, so Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange. If I say ASCII, that it is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, so option A is the right answer. The computer code associated with the exchange of information between terminal is what? So you have two terminals. So how information is exchanged? It is with the help of ASCII. Okay, so ASCII, those who have given, well and good. So student, we have seen almost more than 15 questions from data representation in computer, and we have lot of videos on the previous year question. So you can watch those and get benefited, and if you have anything to say, you can write in our comment box. We will be very happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.